Hi, everyone. This is Yvette from my world of metaphysics. And if you're wondering what can you do to remember your dreams, you landed on the right video. I get so many people that write me when we talk about dream recall stating that they don't dream, they don't remember their dreams, and they're missing out on life. If you want to learn how to receive guidance in life, direction, you must learn how to remember your dreams. So today, during this quick video, I'm going to give you guys some tips on how to do dream recall. And listen, put it into action right away, and you will get great beneficial results. But before we get started, if you're new to this channel, this is the Law of Attraction Metaphysical channel that gives life-changing information. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell, everyone, if you want to get notifications of my up and coming videos. So now, if you want to know about dream recall and how to tap into the universe using your dreams, let's get started. I'm back. Now, what is it that I have to tell you about your dreams and how you can get information about your life? What direction you're going into? What's going on? Listen, dreams, I tell everyone, if you've been on a coaching session with me, I would not give up dream recall, learning about my dreams, learning about what it is that's coming to me through my dreams. Dreams are one of the ways you can communicate with your higher self, the universe, in what it is that you need to do, what direction you're going in, and absolutely warnings. Sometimes you get spiritual guidance or communication with your loved ones through your dreams. So listen, this is something that is powerful, and everyone should be trying to remember their dreams or trying to learn about dream recall or dream interpretation. So now, what is it that I have to tell you about the best ways to learn or remember your dreams? Now, the first thing is that you have to have an intent. When I say intent, you have to have an intent to want to remember your dreams. Listen, if you don't pay it any mind, it won't show up for you. It's there, but it's not going to be something that you're going to remember in the morning. So if you set the intent about dream recall or wanting to remember your dreams, it will happen. And we're going to talk about this, you guys. Now, the next thing that I would tell you that you need if you're really serious about your dreams is to have a dream journal. Listen, this is my dream journal that I had for years. If you see, it's totally full at this point, so I have to go buy another one. Dream recall is something I've been doing for years, and this stays on my nightstand, in my nightstand, but it's always there for me to write in just in case I need it. Now, another thing that you might want to have is a dream interpretation book. Why? Because we all need guidance about what it is we're seeing in our dreams. And we're going to speak about this a little more. If you look in the description, I will have listed some dream recall books that you can absolutely get from Amazon that are good and what I use in my home. Now, let's put this all together. And let me tell you exactly what it is you must do to remember your dreams. Now, listen, if you don't get any results the first or second night, don't worry about it. This is something that you haven't been doing and you're going to need to start practicing. And before you know it, you will start to remember more and more of your dreams to the point that you can remember the entire dream. Now, remember, you guys, you don't just have one dream at night. You have 3, 4, 5 dreams every single night. And sometimes one goes into the next one. But when you have reoccurring dreams, know that it is a message for you guys. It is something warning you or something telling you something is coming to you. The thing is that reoccurring dreams are that much more important because your subconscious mind is either trying to work it through or trying to warn you in your conscious life. Now, what is it that I would do if I was trying to remember my dreams or get guidance in my dreams? Again, the first thing I would do is have a dream journal. Okay, guys can buy any book, a dollar book, go to the dollar store, anything. just have a notebook around your bed so that you can remember, so you can jot down what you see. The next thing is a dream book. Okay, this is not mandatory because you can absolutely go on Google and Google things, but I also have a dream book that I keep near me. The next thing is, again, is setting the intent at night before you're going to bed. And that is simply done by God, my higher self. I will receive guidance from the universe through my dreams. And while I'm receiving this guidance, I will remember. I intend to remember these dreams in the morning. It will give me guidance for what it is I need to know, and I look forward to whatever it is that's coming my way. You can use your own words, but before you go to sleep, you are setting the intent that you will remember your dreams. Now, the next thing I would do is in the morning, I would not get out of bed right away. Give yourself 2 minutes to lie in bed and see what it is that you remember. Okay? It might be a dog, it might be a snake, it might be falling. If whatever it is you remember, jot it down in your dream journal. Why? Because once you get up, you will not remember it anymore. It will go further and further away from you until you really start to remember your dreams and become a pro at it. Listen, I write my dreams down and I've been doing dream recall for the longest. The thing is, once you get up and go about your day, you will forget more and more about that dream. Again, we have more than one dream a night. So when you wake up, you're just remembering one of many. Now, the next thing, after setting the intent, I want to give you guys a couple of clues on what you need to do. If you want to remember your dreams and have beautiful dreams, do not eat a heavy meal before going to bed. If you want to eat your dinner, eat it around 6 or 7. If you go to bed around 11 o'clock, you gave your stomach enough time, or your digestive system enough time to process the food. Okay? When you go to sleep on a heavy belly, it interferes with your dream state because your body is not resting. Your body is processing whatever it is that you ate. Another thing that it can enhance your dream recall is drinking water before going to bed. This is something that is powerful, that absolutely works, and I've done it myself. Another thing, you can program your water by holding it in your hand and stating that as you drink this water is going to help you recall your dreams and get guidance from the universe, and then drink it. These are little tips that I'm giving you guys to help you with your dream recall. So now we spoke about setting the intent. We spoke about getting a dream journal and a dream interpretation book. We spoke about not going to bed on a heavy stomach after a meal or eating heavy foods like hamburgers and hot dogs. Basically, we spoke about drinking a cup of water. Now, another thing that I want to give you a tip about, and this is very powerful, I spoke about it in another one of my videos. When you get up in the middle of the night to use the restroom and you go right back to bed, that is a time that you will receive a lot of your messages. Why? Because you went to sleep, you're up, but you're not fully awake. Your conscious level and your subconscious level are very close together. And at this time, your conscious mind might recall what it is you might experience as you go to sleep. Remember, your dreams will come to you in a symbolic way. It won't be, oh, Mary, don't go to work tomorrow. Something's going to happen. It won't be like that. You might get a dream of your workplace and roaches around you, which means, what are roaches? Roaches are insects, and insects could be a pest. Okay? So that's telling you something might get on your nerves tomorrow. Or you might have a dream of your car breaking down. Why? That could absolutely be you breaking down. Okay? So remember, your dreams are going to give you indicators, and it's going to come symbolically. You might get a dream of climbing high or falling or water. Water is your emotions. Is it calm? Is it a tsunami? What's going on? Are you walking through water like you're in a flood? All of these things are telling you what state of mind you are at and or what is to come your way. So listen, dreams are powerful, you guys, and I'm giving you the best ways to recall your dreams. Set the intent. Say, hey, look, I plan to remember my dreams in the morning. My dreams are going to give me guidance on what it is I need to do in my life. Set the intent to remember your dreams. You can even state, as you get used to this, what information you want, and it will come symbolically through your dreams. Listen, you guys, you don't study your dreams, you are totally missing out on life. Now, one of the things that affect your dreams the most would be substance like alcohol, drugs, anything that alters the mind will affect what kind of dreams you have. If you're drinking alcohol, you might not remember your dreams at all, or you might have nightmares. Whatever it is that's going on. Again, you're doing this right before you went to bed, or it's in your system while you're going to sleep, and your body has to process it. Your subconscious mind has to make sense of it. So you might have nightmares when it comes down to your dream recall. You might remember the dreams that are horrible. So remember, if you want to learn more about dream recall and get information and learn about interpreting your own dreams, please take these little tips that I'm giving you in consideration and see how it works for you. Okay? Like I said, you don't have to do this every day, but if you're looking for guidance and you're looking for something, I'm telling you the best way of doing it. So now let's go through these steps again that I'm telling you for simple dream recall to get messages from the universe. You're going to have a dream journal. The dream journal is going to stay on your nightstand or stay in your nightstand. You're also going to have a dream interpretation book if you can afford it. If not, you can use your phone and you can Google what that means. The next thing is at night, you're going to set the intent to remember your dreams by simply stating it and stating what it is that you want after you learn how to do your dream recall. The next morning, you're going to stay in bed for a couple of minutes and you're going to try to remember whatever it is that came your way in your dreams. At that time, you're going to reach for your dream journal before getting out of bed and you're going to write down whatever it is. Moon, sun, snake, death, walking, running, jogging, climbing. You're going to write down whatever it is you had a dream about and then you're going to look it up. The more you do this, the more you're going to recall, the more it's going to make sense, the more you're going to know about you and your dream interpretation because everyone is different. If you like dogs, dogs can mean love. If you don't like dogs, dogs can mean an enemy. A snake can mean an enemy. A snake can mean a transformation, changing your life. So everything for everyone can mean different, but we do have some general terms that usually are universal. That's the purpose of the journal and of the dream interpretation book. But you can absolutely learn about yourself, learn what means what, and then put it together for yourself. So again, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, always giving you information to change your life. If you want to know how to receive guidance from the universe, start with your dreams. If you like this video, you want more videos like this, please join the family by liking, subscribing, and tapping the bell. If you want to know anything about My World of Metaphysics, coaching, readings, you want to buy crystals, sage, incense, anything, please, everything is in the description. So again, everyone, this is Yvette, and I'm going to sign out, and namaste.